Welcome to Njili Media.
At precisely 12:23 p.m., September 10, 2025, a single gunshot echoed across the campus of Utah Valley University in Orem, Utah, United States, a sound heard around the world. It is believed that the shot was fired by a 22-year-old named Tyler James Robinson. Emma Pitts, news reporter who witnessed the event, said, "I just saw so much blood come out of the left side of Charlie's neck, and then he went limp." Ironically, Charlie Kirk was discussing mass shooting in the USA when this happened. As an immediate after effect, the American nation found itself in mourning, grappling with this immense loss that rippled through communities far and wide. Charlie Kirk, a vibrant and deeply influential figure in the contemporary religious and socio-political environment, was only 31 years old. Charlie embodied a beacon of civil discourse, inspiring countless individuals across the United States, capturing attention on some of the world's most distinguished stages, including the storied halls of Oxford University. Charlie's journey started in the suburban of Arlington Heights and Prospect Heights, where he grew up in a household that fostered a sense of conviction and intellectual curiosity. From a young age, he recognized the powerful influence of words and their capacity to change not only thoughts, but also destinies. During his formative high school years, Charlie realized his true passion for advocating political causes that were closely aligned with his Christian values. This pivotal period in his life led him to establish Turning Point USA in 2012, a grassroots initiative driven by a steadfast commitment to changing the conversation about political issues on university campuses and in wider society. Charlie's vision went beyond simple advocacy. He aimed to empower young conservatives by providing them with a strong voice and substantial platform to articulate their perspectives confidently and effectively. Under his charismatic and dynamic leadership, Turning Point USA, an organization experienced considerable growth and development, becoming a key organization serving the needs of young conservatives across the country. Through these efforts, Turning Point USA not only shaped the political landscape, but also supported personal and professional development of its members, preparing them to be informed and proactive participants in the democratic process. Not just an organizer, Charlie was a passionate advocate dedicated to upholding Christian principles, fiercely defending the right to free speech and challenging individuals to confront and question prevailing narratives of the time. His signature phrase, "Prove me wrong," became a powerful rallying cry echoing through lecture halls from coast to coast, and his fearless approach to controversy distinguished him as a prominent figure among young conservatives. Tragically, Charlie's promising life was cut short in a moment of unspeakable violence. This loss profoundly impacted his community and people worldwide, emphasizing the significance of his work and the principles he championed. His influence was further highlighted by his key roles in helping Donald Trump secure victory in the 2024 elections. On that fateful afternoon of September 10, a single gunshot was fired by Tyler Robinson, who simply wanted to kill Charlie because he disagreed with his political opinion. In the wake of this devastating event, the commitment to Charlie's legacy was powerfully championed by his widow, Erica, a businesswoman, insightful podcaster, and a pillar of strength Erica emerged not just as a grieving widow, but as a fierce advocate ready to carry forward Charlie's torch. Through her non-profit organization, Everyday Heroes Like You, she became a beacon of hope, harnessing energy to support often overlooked causes and issues that align with Charlie's vision for a more compassionate society. President Donald Trump, as well as Vice President J.D. Vance, along with their wives, attended Charlie Kirk's funeral, a testament to the profound impact Charlie had on the political landscape. Charlie was also honored with the Presidential Medal of Freedom after his tragic assassination. During Charlie's memorial, Erica delivered a heartfelt and unforgettable tribute. Declared, "You have no idea the fire you have ignited within this wife." With those words, it became clear that she vowed to amplify Charlie's mission and ideals. One of her most profound gestures followed when she publicly forgave Tyler Robinson, stating, "I forgive him because it is what Christ did. Faith that has power to break the cycle of hatred, conveying an enduring message that love triumphs even in the darkness of circumstances." Charlie Kirk was so much more than a political icon. He was a devoted husband, a loving father, a man whose life was animated by genuine devotion. While his career sparked heated debates and division among the public, the overwhelming wave of collective mourning that swept across the nation following his passing speaks volumes about the deep and lasting impact he has made on countless lives. This sentiment resonates within us, and we honor his life and legacy. Charlie's remarkable resilience, coupled with his powerful voice and unwavering principle, is forever etched into the hearts and minds of those he inspired. He cultivated a vibrant conversation, rich with passion and purpose. His bravery, dedication to fostering open dialogue, welcoming diverse viewpoints, and diligent advocacy for the fundamental tenets of free speech serve as beacon of hope and guidance for generations to come. Charlie Kirk was not murdered because he held a gun. He was murdered because he truly believed in free speech. As millions around the world mourned this honest, brave, and honorable man, some couldn't care less, and others who celebrated him. But none of this will ever be able to diminish the legacy of a man whom accomplished more in just a little over 3 decades of his life than millions who live much longer. On behalf of Injili Media, this is our tribute to his life, service, and legacy. May God bless you all.
Thanks for watching.